Until you actually systematically and strategically repair your gut barrier, nothing else is going to work to get rid of your bloating or ease your GI distress. Nearly every client I work with has already tried low FODMAP diets, probiotics, and elimination food plans and still feel stuck. So why do I have a 95% success rate? Because we do the one thing that everyone else skips: repairing your gut lining itself. Think about walking into an old house where there's a crumbling plaster wall. You don't just paint the wall and hope all goes well. The first thing you do is you repair the wall. That's exactly what we have to do with your gut barrier before anything else is going to work. Repair your gut lining. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 powerhouse foods that do exactly that. Repair that gut barrier just like you would repair a crumbling plaster wall. But before I give you those 3 foods, I want you to understand why repairing your gut lining is the only thing that makes my clients successful when everything else they've tried hasn't worked. You've heard me say before that the epithelial lining of your large intestine is 1 cell thick. The reason it can be 1 cell thick is because it's protected by this thick mucosal barrier. That mucosal lining gets broken down over time by sugar, processed food, seed oil, even stress and cortisol can actually break that down, as well as women's hormonal cycles. All of that affects our gut health, and all of that affects that mucosal lining. When that mucosal lining gets broken down, then it leaves that 1 cell thick barrier vulnerable to damage. And that damage allows food and poop and bacteria to go where it's not supposed to go, which causes inflammation, gas, bloating, foggy thinking, and chronic inflammation throughout your whole body. So before any elimination food plan is going to work or any probiotic is going to help, we have to go into your gut with some spackling and patch up that peeling plaster wall before we can paint it and make it beautiful. The 3 foods that I'm about to share with you do exactly that. Number 1, bone broth. Okay, you've probably heard about bone broth before, so before you roll your eyes and say, I've already heard about that, let me give you the science and then also tell you how to use it, because if you've used bone broth before and haven't had success, you're probably using it wrong. Bone broth is chock full of collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glutamine, glycine, and proline. These are the building blocks of all of our connective tissue, including the building blocks of your gut lining. It's one of the most powerful tools out there because not only is it acting like a Band-Aid to protect your gut lining, but it's actually giving your body the building blocks to heal. Think about bringing bricks to a construction site. If the bricks are there, the builders can build the house, and the bone broth brings the bricks. If you've tried bone broth in the past and you feel like you haven't gotten results, it's probably because you're not drinking enough of it or you're not drinking the right kind. In order for bone broth to truly work and help seal up your gut, you need to be drinking at least 1 cup of it at least once a day, if not 2 to 3 times a day. And you need to make sure that you're drinking bone broth that when you put it in the fridge, it kind of turns to a gelatinous goop. That gelatinous goop is the collagen and the gelatin and the amino acids. If your bone broth is liquid in the fridge, it doesn't have the building blocks that you need. You can grab my personal bone broth recipe that makes good gelatinous bone broth in the Barrier Builder recipe duo down below. Healing food number 2, Jell-O. Okay, not the neon green stuff that Auntie Marge brings to Thanksgiving that's full of orange slices and marshmallows and that she somehow calls a salad. I'm talking about real grass-fed, grass-finished bovine gelatin that's full of all of the same good collagen and amino acids as bone broth. Eating just a couple little squares of this grass-fed gelatin every single day, just like bone broth, is going to help rebuild that mucosal lining and protect that gut barrier. It's such a simple food. It's so delicious. Swap it out for your regular dessert and help your gut heal by eating some Jell-O every day. Number 3, collagen peptides. This is one of those influencer trends that I love and I can actually get behind because it really does work. And adding collagen to your food is so easy. You can mix it into your coffee, you can mix it into your smoothies. I even mix it into my Jell-O recipe, so I'm getting a twofer. Collagen is absolutely essential for tissue repair and for gut lining integrity. It also reduces inflammation and supports healthy bowel movements. I'll link to one of my favorite cleanest brands down below in the comments. So basically, if you want to heal your gut, bone broth is your new gut Band-Aid, collagen is your new snack, and Jell-O is your new favorite dessert. But please don't stop there, because while these 3 foods are really important ingredients in healing and repairing your gut barrier, you need to have a systematic strategy because order matters. Which is why in the next video, I'm going to introduce you to the exact step-by-step proven scientific strategy that I've used with over 200 women to help them heal and repair their guts and get rid of gas and bloating even when they feel like they've done everything else. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Drop me a comment and let me know if you're going to try Jell-O, bone broth, or collagen first. And remember, if you've tried those 3 things before and you feel like you haven't gotten results, it's probably either because you haven't eaten enough of it, or more likely because you haven't integrated it into a larger strategic strategy to truly repair your gut lining. In the next video, I'm going to reveal that exact strategy and give you the step-by-step strategic blueprint to help you heal your gut and get rid of your bloating for good.